Janitor.AI chat is an AI powered chat box application that allows user to engage in conversations with virtual characters. So to install it in your device, simply follow this step. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iPhone. Then in the search address bar, tap on it and type down the Janitor.AI chat and search for it. There you can see the option available. Look for the app titled Janitor.AI developed by GPT Dev. Then tap on it and ensure that it is the official version of Janitor.AI. Then tap on the Get option available there. Now you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password, Touch ID or Face ID. Complete it. Then you'll have to wait for a few moments for the app to be downloaded on your device. Once installed, all you have to do is tap on the Open to launch the application. Firstly, you'll be navigated to the Pro Access. Simply tap on the cross icon available there. After that, you'll be navigated to the ads. You can simply tap on the close and close the ad. Now here, you'll be navigated to your Janitor AI official account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.